Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that He didn't send down any disease, except He also sent down a cure for it. And this is why humans have to look for the cure. So given that people get sick from this, an important question is, what's the ruling of the fasting on people who are sick? The Quran says that whoever is sick or on a journey, then they can take other days to fast. They don't have to fast during that time. And the opinion of Imam al-Bukhari and Muhammad bin Sirin and Ata and Ibn Rawaheh and others of the great ulama, and this was particularly Imam Bukhari who mentions some of these other opinions, said that simply being sick was enough to permit the breaking of the fast. And he said that that you didn't even have to ask whether it was a severe sickness or a light sickness, that simply being sick gives a permission to break the fast. And so we would say that, people should not be asked about that. If they're sick, unwell, then they are permitted to break their fast. But if a doctor says that by fasting, that person the symptoms will become more severe, then in that case, it's no longer a question of permissibility. That patient is obliged to break his fast, because it's not permitted to harm yourself, and it's not permitted to expose yourself to destruction. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do not destroy yourselves at your own hands, because, and in another verse Allah says, don't kill yourselves, Allah is merciful with you. And so because of that, it's very important for people, because this disease is a disease that indeed can have fatal consequences for people. So if a doctor tells them that they can't fast, then they have to listen to that. It becomes an obligation. In terms of old people who are particularly susceptible to this illness and the dangerous aspects of it, older people are permitted to feed in place of the fasting. So if somebody is elderly, then that again is a permissibility for them to do that.